Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I will read an article. Well, straight and safely lower on fear of aggressive trade. Well, straight ended steeply lower on Monday as investors felt about a U.S. Federal Reserve gathering later this week in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, that is expected to reinforce a strong commitment by the central bank to stamp out inflation. Sector indexes declined lower by consumer industrial down 2.84%, followed by a 2.78% loss in information technology. NVIDIA or NASDAQ or NVDA cloud dropped 4.6% and Amazon come in Nasdaq IMZN fell 3.6%, while Microsoft, Nasdaq, and Apple in Nasdaq or AAPL lost more than 2%. As the back market 10 years US Treasury year rose to its highest since July 21. Technology and other highness growth stocks often fall when both years rise. After a summer rally on Wall Street and last week, the 500 remains down about 13 so far in 2022, and the Nasdaq is down more than 20%. That CBOA Volatility Index Wall Street flash rose to 23.9, its hike in over 2 weeks. Focus is not Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech to Friday at the Central Banking Conference in Jackson Hole for future calls on how aggressive the Fed is likely to be with further interim rate hikes. Powell is going to try to start hawking to tamp down inflationary expression and think tank finally condition, so that most likely going to be a negative central of the market, not where jail has safe instrument official aid integrates capital management in New York. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.